everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 656 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out a product from my November 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, and this is the Seraphine Botanicals Happy Hibiscus Blush Palette. And I think that this was the product that I chose as part of my November Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of that, I will have that linked down below. It's such a great box. I'm so happy with all the products I got in it this month. But what really drew me to this product is that it's natural makeup. So it says, this is makeup that's healthy, organic, and fair trade. It's a vegan blush palette made with 99% natural ingredients and flattering on every skin tone. So it's made without mineral oil, phthalates, it's hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, and paraben-free. It's also cruelty-free, gluten-free, GMO-free. It has hibiscus flower extract and kaolin clay to help reduce oiliness and redness. Wow. Seriously, such an amazing sounding product. This is the type of makeup that I probably should be using all the time. It's just so much better for you. But I've never heard of Seraphine Botanicals. So if you've ever tried anything from them, or if you know where you can buy Seraphine Botanicals, let me know in the comments down below if you have any recommendations. From my research, I can see that you can buy it from the Seraphine Botanicals website, but I didn't really see any other stores to find it in. But this is the type of product that I want to get as like holiday gifts. When I'm shopping for people for Christmas gifts, I like to get products that I think are like, that almost kind of like give back, if they're like a charitable type of product, or products that are like, you know, good for the environment or good for, you know, just your skin, things like that, healthy products. So when looking at the website, it looks like they have tons of different beautiful products on the Seraphine Botanicals website. They also have some great gift sets. So I might check them out, especially on Black Friday. I love to just wait till Black Friday, check out those deals, especially online, so much easier. So I may do that, try and pick up some gifts for people there. So let me start out by showing you the palette and then doing some swatches. So this is a blush palette, but I think I'm going to be able to get a lot more use out of this than just for blush. So I'll go ahead and swatch each of the colors. Oh, beautiful, like such a nice velvety texture. I love that underneath each name, it describes the product as well. So like hibiscus, creamy rose, harvest, golden nude, petal, silky pink, dewdrop, illuminating gleam. Oh, wow. These seriously swatch beautifully. Great pigment, great texture. Oh, so pretty. So these two, you get some real shimmery shades, kind of like some nice highlights or metallic shimmer for the eyes. And then these two, they're not even quite matte. They're a little bit shiny, but I love the finish to them in all of these shades. And I love this color combination. So pretty. Like these are definitely the types of colors that I'm drawn to. So here's a better view of those swatches. Let's see, so on my skin tone, I am gonna start out by using this petal pink shade on my cheeks. I need to go in with a light hand because I saw how pigmented this is. But then after I apply this shade, we'll see if I want to layer up some other colors on top. Oh my gosh, so pretty right away. I want to pick up a little bit more. This is super easy to apply, super blendable, and it's giving a nice flush of pink. It's a very true pink shade. Like, I think that looks cute and pretty, just like that pop of pink to the cheeks. But I do want to add some like more color to kind of add some sun-kissed effect to my skin. So I'm gonna start out with this Hibiscus shade and apply a little bit of that on top. Okay, yes, that's what I wanted. Like to add a little bit of color into my cheeks, like more bronzing. Actually, I'm loving this Hibiscus shade. So you can kind of see the difference there, like before adding the bronze Hibiscus, after. I just really like how this warmed up my skin tone some more. And these shades are layering beautifully on top of each other. So I'm gonna pick up Hibiscus. I was a little bit intimidated by this Hibiscus, it says creamy rose, but to me it looks almost like a bronzer. I was a little bit intimidated of how that would work on my skin tone, but it really does look great. It's not that intense or bronze. I am only picking up a little bit, but it's actually a very wearable shade, even on my super fair skin. All right. And these look like there's a little bit of glistening in the formula, but they look pretty like matte, not super sparkly, shimmery. So now I feel like I want to pick up this shade here. And first I'll apply this as a highlighter because I'm really curious how this works alone as a highlighter. Oh yeah. That definitely can be a highlighter. It's not like a blinding, intense highlighter. It seems more just like brushing some light shimmer onto the skin, but that's really pretty. It looks very nice and smooth. For a nice subtle glow, I like that a lot. But then this I think would also be a perfect blush topper to add that little bit of highlight shimmer. Or if you really did just want like a very subtle highlight, this is a good option. But just so that I'm using all of the shades, now I just want to pick up this Harvest, says Golden Nude shade, and let's sweep a little bit of that on top of the cheeks. I can see that this now is adding kind of like a bronze shift in the color. Like there's this shimmer layer that when the light hits it, it reflects more of that bronze, which I think looks so pretty. Wow. I'm really impressed by how all of these shades are layering beautifully on top of each other. Oh, I love this palette. Like my skin has glow to it, it has warmth and life into my cheeks and my complexion. Wow, and it looks so good on the skin. It blended out beautifully, it looks so smooth. It's not emphasizing the texture that I have with my large pores here. I think this is a great travel palette too. I do kind of wish it had a mirror, but these colors could work like if I wanted to just throw some onto my eyes as some quick eyeshadow, use it as a subtle highlighter, or just layer it up for this beautiful blush glow. Oh, I'm so happy I have this now, but oh, did I even mention the retail value of this? Okay, this retails for $48, which is definitely pricey for me, but I just love what this company stands for, and it's a really great formula. So that's why I also think this would be a great gift, because when it's more like on the pricier end, it's a good product to get people that maybe they wouldn't purchase on their own, but it makes a great gift. Wow, this was awesome. I really hope that I can get some more natural type of makeup from Ipsy or even BoxyCharm, since I did just sign up for BoxyCharm, and that's in the mail. I can't wait to see what I get in my BoxyCharm box. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.